Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was done to be engraved on a pocket watch, which I have here, all shiny and nice and engraved. So I have the English text on one side and then the circles on the other side, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. And let's go ahead and read this. So I have a mini version of the guide up top, but I also have one here that I will be gesturing at even though I know you can't read it. But let's go ahead and get to explaining this design. So you start reading at the bottom and then you go counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time. So we start with this first word circle here. And this word only has one letter, and that letter is a vowel because it's a smaller circle. So vowel, 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 lots of vowels. And this vowel has a line going inwards, making it the I. Then we have this word, and this word is pretty tricky because the two letters inside it are both stacked, meaning they're in the same row and put together as one letter. And they're also in the row that is a floating circle. So in that second row, we have a circle with four dots, so the letter C, and a circle with one line, plus the A vowel with a slash. So the order of this is consonants with four vowels, so we have the C and the N before the A, so C N A, and then we have the thick lines before the thin lines before the thick lines, so the C before the N, and then the A, and then last but not least, the slash to the A brings it up one letter in the stack, so it goes from C and A to C A N. So it's the word can. So I can. And then this word circle, we start at the bottom, and this does barely cross that 6 o'clock line. So we do start with this deep divot for the D, 1, 2, 3 dots on the D, O inside the word circle, this A outside our word circle before the double L. These two are the same letter, so it's the same thickness when you stack them. All, and then we have this word here. We have a TH that is crossing our word circle line, and all of these lines pass through or go next to the TH. None of them actually end on it, so that is just a TH. Then the I has a line going inwards. This NG has a sneaky line up here, this curvy one that curves around and connects to the S, as well as these two straight lines. So that's the NG. And then this S has one, the sneaky line, two, three lines. So there's the three lines on the S and then the three lines on the NG. So there's the word things. There's another TH. The R has three dots. The O is floating inside our word circle. The U has a line going outwards. A G is a deep divot with one line, and the H is a deep divot with two lines. So through. And then we have this little word here. We have a deep divot with two dots. That's a CH. The R has three dots. The I has a line going inwards. This S has one straight line and those two curvy lines. This one passes through, so it's a count. And this T, all its lines pass through, so they don't count. So that's Christ. And then we have J, a floating circle with nothing ending on it. The E in the middle. And even though this line goes through the E, we don't count it as a slash because it's just the line modifier from this S and this I. And this S, 1, 2, 3 lines on it, U, line going outwards, and then the other S, so JESUS. And then we have one dot on a shallow divot for WHO. And these little guys, these little chunkies, don't change or modify anything. They're just little filler circles in the words on the sentence circle. So that's WHO. Here we have a shallow divot with three lines, so the S for the thin one, and then the thick one has nothing, so that's the T, so S then T. R with three dots, E. This NG has 1, 2, 3 lines. A TH floats, E, N with one line, and then S with three lines, and the M with 1, 2, 3 lines, and then the E on our word circle. And then here's our period at the end of our sentence. So yeah, that's that. I hope you like it. Sorry about the background noise. I'm at a show, so there's a bunch of other things happening. I'm glad I got this video squeezed in. So yeah, thanks. Bye.